Let's install iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. Now head into a web browser and we're going to go to the website beta.apple.com. So again, beta.apple.com. From here it says Apple Beta Program. You can scroll down and hit the sign up button. Now it will use your Face ID, or you can just log into your Apple account to sign up your iPhone to be included in this. Now you can see I'm on iOS, and if I go down, it says get started, enroll your device. I'm going to tap on enroll your device, and it says make sure you archive or back up your device, and then go down and it says go to settings, general software update, and I can just hit this open beta updates. Now, if you want to go by yourself, you can just again go into settings, tap on general, tap on software update, and then now you can see the beta updates here. You can choose to either go to the iOS 18 public beta or the developer beta if you choose. Now, when you go back here and you swipe down to refresh, it should allow you to update to an iOS beta program. If there is one, you can see a public beta isn't available. But if I go to developer beta and swipe down, it might pop up depending on whether there is one available or not.